So we recently got a brand new Wi-Fi router, and it supports the new Wi-Fi 6, the AX Wi-Fi, and the speeds aren't really what I was expecting, and I realized that's because I had a Wi-Fi 5 card in my computer, so we're gonna replace that. So you can see it's acceptable. I mean, it's 210 down. I mean, that's actually really good. And upload, we're getting 21. But on my dad's phone, which supports Wi-Fi 6, on my dad's phone, he was getting about 400, 500 down. So I think it's time for an upgrade. I don't know why I threw this down on the computer. We need to work over here. So let's just get into this. Ooh. Shrink wrap. Give me a second. And there we go. So here it is. Comes in, is that an SD card case? Okay. Comes with screwdriver and screw. Install tips. Oh, and a smiley face. And then driver CD, it looks like. Which I totally for sure will definitely use and not just get them from Intel's website. See, this is what I'm talking about. See, this is my SD card. And it actually fits right in there. They just shipped this thing in an SD card case. I mean, I'm not complaining. SD card cases are useful. But it's just weird. Unscrew. You can see I've already been in here. The warranty void if removed sticker is kind of folded over in there, and you can see a little bit of remnant from it there. Remove the back cover. So, first step, remove our battery so we don't get electrocuted. Pull out the battery. Next, we need to locate our Wi-Fi card, which is right here. Untape. Memorize which antennas go on which side. Will you focus, please? Focus? No? Okay. Time to bring out the lens. Ugh, that does not make it any better. But if I go in close, it does. Haha. Perfect. So red goes to aux, and black goes to main. Perfect. Now the next step would be to disconnect these antenna, but I'm actually not going to do that on camera because you need two hands to do it. Otherwise, you might break it, like I already did this stupid thing. Unscrew our Wi-Fi card. Now it'll pop up like this, so we can just pull it straight out from the slot. Grab our new Wi-Fi card. This is our AX one. Put it in at a little bit of an angle like that. Insert it. Screw in our Wi-Fi card. Attach the antenna. Okay, our Wi-Fi antenna are reattached. It's dusty. Okay, so I blew it all out. Now seems like a perfect time actually to go over the specs of my computer, because I've gotten a few questions about that. So I have 16 gigs of RAM, so it's 2x8. It runs at, I don't think it tells the speed on these sticks. Yeah, I have 16 gigs of RAM. Under here is a 1060 from NVIDIA, GTX 1060, and then an i7 8750H, I believe. It's 6 core 12 thread. So yeah, and then I have terabyte of solid state and a terabyte of hard drive. I want to upgrade this to 2 terabytes, but yeah. And then just upgraded to Wi-Fi 6. Okay, let's close it up. Almost forgot about the battery. Reinstall your battery. Screw in your battery. Put the top cover back on. Re-screw our back cover. And we're done. Let's go see if it boots. Lights! You know, it's always so exciting when you do a repair like this, and it just works. Now, of course, we have no internet because I haven't connected to the Wi-Fi on this card yet. And it picked up drivers. So the drivers are the same for the other Intel card. So yeah, we can just connect to my Wi-Fi. Yes, I understand the update failed. I'm not connected to the internet yet. Just give me a second, Discord. Speaking of that, if you haven't joined my Discord server, there's a link in the video description. You can join my Discord server. Please join my Discord server. I just pushed connect to Wi-Fi and my whole computer just froze. Shut!
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Looks like it.
Shut up. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, and the fans are ramping up. I just connected to my Wi-Fi, and I got this notification. Wi-Fi just got better. This network uses Wi-Fi 6 for better coverage and performance. Enjoy. So it recognizes that I have a Wi-Fi 6 card. This is good. Let's see what speed test has to say. Holy bejesus. Well, my Wi-Fi is now 2 times faster. Great. Yeah. Wow. Upload's still the same. Download, man, that will help with my Adobe updates. Let's run it again, because my dad was getting about 500 on the download on his Wi-Fi 6 phone. My phone doesn't support Wi-Fi 6, so I can't try it on my phone. Yeah, there we go. 450, 460. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. There we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Well, I would say this whole thing is a huge success. My Wi-Fi is now double the speed it was before. And yeah. I'm hoping this will help with the weird dropouts that I have. I haven't been able to stream recently because my Wi-Fi keeps just randomly dropping out. And during even Zoom calls for school, like every 5 minutes I get a message on my screen saying your internet is unstable. So I'm hoping this will help. But yeah, wow. That is a lot faster. Something I do want to try is this. Let's try with our Ethernet and see what we get. I'm assuming it's just going to be the same because really Ethernet is no different than Wi-Fi. I'm assuming we're going to get about the same, but my Wi-Fi might also be faster than my wired. Aha! Okay, my Wi-Fi is faster than my wired now. I'm wondering if this was a weird one-off thing, because my upload was the same. Let's try it one more time. That's really weird. Yeah, no. I mean, that's still really good, but for a wired connection? Yeah, that's strange. Let's just look at these numbers, shall we? Those are the more impressive numbers. I like those numbers better. Oh my god, wow. Yeah. Wow. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, get subscribed. There's Discord down below, Twitter down below, Instagram down below, Twitch down below, and I think my other YouTube channel is down there too. So you can go follow all that, like all that, subscribe all that, whatever. And I will see you in the next video.